Hello everyone, so in this video I will be demonstrating the working of custom database project. So basically this is a project we made, basically a custom database that will be storing JSON records, like in this format you can see here, like inside the data directory we have the users collection. Basically users represent the collection and this is the record. So you can see a demo called alice.json, and in the JSON file basically we are having the fields name, age, contact, and etc, country, company, etc. So going to the main Go file, you can see we have created the Fiber new app instance. So we are using the Fiber package or the framework to easily establish the server. After creating the server, we are listening it on 8001 port, and here are the routes defined to perform the API. So slash users for the post, and the slash users name to get individual name, and slash users to get all the name, and slash users slash name to delete user. Talking about the model, for the model we are using the struct type, which we have designed. We are also creating the driver for this, just in typical you have seen in Mongoose, or we get the Mongoose driver or something like that. We are not exactly creating a complete ORM, but yeah, some of the functionalities of driver. Yeah, so you can see we are using the sync.mutex. From the sync package we are using the mutex to concurrently access the collections, so that there will be no data corruption or unexpected results in the output. You can see here we have a function defined get or create mutex, basically a struct method. We are connecting it to the struct, my bad, yeah. So we are returning the mutex if it is already present, or creating a new one for the collection. And talking about the functionalities, we have the right functionalities to store in the db, or basically in this directory folder base. uh, we have the read, and we have the delete, and we have the create user, and we have the get user. So I'll be just explaining one of the functions for right now. Basically here collection represent the collection name, so here collection is the user. Oh, my bad. You can see the user collection, basically representing the table or like that, and resource basically the name of the record. Here in this case would be Alice. So if it is missing, we are returning error, or if everything is okay, we are actually locking the critical section of the code by applying the mutex. Here we are obtaining the mutex and doing the mutex, and we are deferring the actually mutex dot unlocks. So basically, even if after the program stops, it will every time ensure that the critical section actually gets unlocked. So here we are accessing basically the folder or path for this to create the record, and we are simply at the end writing that to the file path, giving the commands for the read or write execution. Yeah, pretty good. Same goes for the other functionalities. So let me run the server first. uh, so we'll be running it using the go run main.go command. So using the fiber, yeah, it basically asks you the permissions. Here you can see we have 6 handlers and 1 process showing up. So let me quickly go to the postman, and here I'll be explaining you. So we have first the get functionalities. When I'll be doing slash users, it is getting me all the records basically available. So right now we have only one record, so let me change it to post. And uh, for the post, we have uh, yeah, just the users one, and we have to send it using the body. So yeah, that should work. Yeah, so you can see another record is created. Now if I do again the get one, see, we are now getting the two of the records. And if I look at our folder inside the data, inside the users collection, we have now two records. One is with Alice, one with is Anurag. Anurag is my name basically. So yeah, pretty much it. And talking about other functionalities, we can like get single value. Let's say Anurag. Yeah, so you can see we can get a single ID by that. And if I perform delete with that, so it will basically delete. So you can see the response, JSON response we got Anurag deleted. So yeah, you can see here we have now just the Alice record. Yeah, so that much for it. I hope you like the project. Yeah, thanks.